Beauty secrets from around the world, tips and tricks for glowing skin and luscious hair. There are countless beauty tips and secrets from around the world that can help you achieve radiant skin and healthy hair. Here are some of our favorite tips and tricks from different cultures. Korean skincare routine. The Korean skincare routine has gained a lot of popularity in recent years for its multi-step approach to skincare. The routine involves double cleansing, using an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser, exfoliating, using essence, a concentrated serum, applying sheet masks, and moisturizing. This routine helps to hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it glowing and radiant. Japanese beauty secrets. Japan is known for its focus on natural beauty, and one of their secrets is using green tea and rice water in their skincare routine. Green tea has antioxidants that help to protect the skin from damage, while rice water contains vitamins and minerals that help to brighten and soften the skin. The Japanese approach to skincare is also very gentle and minimalistic, avoiding harsh ingredients and over-exfoliating. French beauty tips. French beauty is all about embracing natural beauty and taking care of your skin. French women prefer using simple, high-quality products that are gentle on the skin. They also believe in getting regular facials to keep their skin looking its best. Indian hair care. Indian women are known for their long, luscious hair, and one of their secrets is using natural oils like coconut oil and amla oil to nourish their hair. They also avoid heat styling tools and opt for air drying their hair whenever possible. Amla oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help to strengthen the hair and prevent breakage. Moroccan beauty rituals. Morocco is known for its hammams, which are traditional bathhouses where people go to cleanse their skin and relax. A typical hammam involves exfoliating the skin with a special glove called a kessa, steaming the skin to open up the pores, and applying argan oil to moisturize and nourish the skin. Argan oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, which help to hydrate and protect the skin. Brazilian body care. Brazilian women are known for their smooth, glowing skin, and one of their secrets is using acai berry oil to moisturize and nourish their skin. Acai berry oil is rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which help to protect the skin from damage and keep it looking youthful. They also take regular exfoliating showers to keep their skin soft and smooth. African skincare. African skincare often involves using natural ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and black soap. Shea butter is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, which help to moisturize and protect the skin. Coconut oil is also great for moisturizing the skin and preventing dryness. Black soap is a gentle and natural alternative to traditional soap, which can be harsh and drying. Incorporating these beauty secrets from around the world into your skincare and hair care routine can help you achieve radiant skin and healthy hair. Remember to listen to your body and choose products and routines that work best for you. Thanks for watching.